What is the Economic Summit? It is an activity-based learning program for high schools that teaches the significance and the basic concepts of globalization, international economics, and also it teaches the students what it takes to make highly interdependent nations competitive in today's dynamic and economic environment. Here, the students are a country, low, middle, or high, and have to identify its problematics and choose the biggest problem, make a proposal to stop it, and then the game just starts. Now, here are some rules that you have to know to participate in the International Economic Summit. Bank loans. In the bank loan, every team may receive one bank loan for 10 welcos, minus 1 for interest. Each team must deposit one expert coupon as collateral that will be returned only if the loan is completely repaid. The teams can repay 0 to 10 welcos, and at the end, the bank gives 1 point for each welco returned. Foreign aid. There are 3 categories of teams: high, middle, and low income. The high countries must give a certain quantity of foreign aid grant to low countries. The high countries must give at the end to the bank a certain number of foreign aid receipts. If not, the bank imposes 10 points of penalty for each missing receipt. The low-income countries can cash the foreign aid to the bank for 5 welcos. Geography quiz. This quiz consists in you and your teammates reuniting to identify different flags. Flags will be appearing on the screen. All you have to do is write down the name of the country that is being displayed on the screen. The debate. You and your country must form a debate block for a debate in which you will choose the best proposal in between the other country's proposals to debate against other blocks. The block that wins will benefit every other country that's part of it. During the Economic Summit, you will also participate in different activities that involve your creativity and certain skills such as decoration of your stand, cooking one of your country's traditional plate, dancing the typical dance of your country, and elaborating a video of your proposal. These were just some of the activities you will be involved in the International Economic Summit. To learn more about the specific rules, enter the Economic Summit webpage. Be smart, organized, prepared, and get ready to enjoy an amazing moment being a professional economic advisor.